Hello my beautiful subscribers and welcome back. Jumping right in, I'm taking the Morphe R39 palette and I'm taking the shade Define Me from that palette and a Morphe R37 and I'm working that into my upper crease. By the way, I do apologize for the loud noise in the background. It's my fish tank and I do apologize for my voice, but I'm a little under the weather, so bear with me. Sorry. Anyway, moving right on, I'm taking the shade Create on a Sonia Kashuk fluffy brush, and I'm working that into my crease, keeping it lower than the previous shade. I'm going back into the Morphe R37 with no additional product, and I'm just making sure that I have a nice and seamless blend. Now taking the shade Passion on a Morphe M441 and I'm blending that into my crease as well, keeping it lower than the previous shade again. I'm now going back in with that Sonia Kashuk fluffy brush with no additional product, just to blend everything out and make it nice and seamless. Now taking the shade Forever on a Micah's Beauty E230 brush, and I'm making sure to pat this onto my crease as opposed to blending it into my crease. Therefore, the shade will be more pigmented and more defined. And I'm just continuing to pat the shadow onto my crease to get it to the desired intensity. And going back in with that Morphe M441 with no additional product and just blending it out, just like I did before, to get rid of any harsh lines. I'm taking this Master Stroke brush, which is basically a paint brush. I actually stole it from my 10-year-old daughter, but anyway, it's just a really fine brush, and I'm using that to make the outline of the heart. I'm making sure to only draw on half of the heart, as I will be creating the bottom half of the heart on my lower lash line. I'm now going in with a small detailing brush by Morphe, and I will make sure to link it down below, but I'm just basically filling in the rest of that heart with concealer. And I am using the MAC Select Cover Up Concealer and NW15. This is a very time-consuming and tedious process, so if you are going to attempt to recreate this look, please take your time. I'm now taking my NYX glitter glue and my Too Faced glitter in the style Glitter Alley, and I'm packing that all over that heart. I'm now going in with the same shades that I applied in my crease, and I'm using the same exact order to smoke out my lower lash line. I'm now going in with concealer and I am forming the lower portion of the heart. I would recommend that if you guys are attempting to recreate this look at home, that you keep your eye slightly closed so it'll give you a better guideline where you need to put that concealer, where you need to form the bottom portion of that heart, if that makes any sense at all. As you guys can see here, I did mess up and I put that lower portion slightly off to the right. So I went in with eyeshadow, I corrected it, and then went back in and I formed the bottom portion of that heart once more. Going back in with the same glitter glue and the same glitter. This is the final look. Again, this look was just for fun, but if you guys do recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram at makeupjunkie with 6 E's. And if you guys did like it, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.